How do I get my crucible out?
So once it's cool, you want to loosen these up, tighten them. Tighten those up out of your way. This whole back panel comes off. All right, and you gotta now you've got fracks. So this whole piece comes off. It'll be this nice the first time, and then once you fire it, you know, loses a little bit of its integrity. It's a couple inches of fracks. And this is what you have. Just 3 panels. This is your emergency clean out panel. That comes off. And you have these 2 panels that come off. Then you have access to your crucible. One thing I do want to point out is there's enough volume from this point and below in this bottom trough to contain 60 pounds of glass. So in case of catastrophic failure with your crucible, the glass should never get up past a point to seal these bricks on.